280.
280.
We get to 280, we got it done.
The interstate.
We got it made in the shade, little woman. Because then I know where I'm going.
Oh no!
I don't need a map after that. Until we get up there to Buffalo, New York area.
That's good. Depending how we travel today, that's saying depending on how we travel today, that's about 6 hours from here. With traffic going good.
Right there's what we're after.
1/2 mile.
I don't know about the 1/2 mile, but right lane only 280. Right here. Where's it at?
Exit here.
Yep. It's a done deal. We never left New Jersey.
The buildings there, New Jersey, New York.
This is all New Jersey.
We will cross that big old bridge there.
Yeah, that's the drawbridge.
What?
Drawbridge. They can raise the bridge up for bigger ships to go through.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We didn't go over there.
We're going over it.
Under it?
We're going over the drawbridge.
We go that road there?
See what that big green thing is,
Yeah.
Stan? That's what we're going over.
This like traffic here going there?
Yeah. The broad drawbridge deck is down. We go across it. The only time you don't go across it is when they raise it.
They raise it?
Yeah, they raise it when a big enough boat comes through.
Is that Honda Accord that has 2 doors only car? Yep. I thought Honda Accord was just one side.
traffic there on top, you would. So I didn't know all here. I thought there was
Okay.
road. That's why I said underneath. That's why I said I thought that there was also. That's why I said we're going there on that side because I said I don't see. I thought we would be up there.
Now, if we went across George Washington Bridge, they would have that. George Washington is a double-deck bridge.
Wow.
Eastbound
And
goes on the bottom, and westbound goes on. No,
we're not
take it
going
back.
there. We're not going.
No. Eastbound goes on. Trucks run the bottom deck. Cars run the top deck. Run both decks. Trucks are restricted at the bottom. He's a different model. I know that much. The old train station.
Electric truck. Oh, they are using it.
Huh? They're still using it?
Yeah,
That's
I
a
said
train station.
I
Is
did-
that subway?
not subway. It's
Train station. Train trucks.
it uses electric trolleys. Whatever. The cars are they run off electricity to move around. Electric motors. Just like the subways in New York City do.
I'm pretty sure the subway, there's a entrance, exit, every street like that. You don't have to